PST to MBOX Convertor tool allows you to easily convert PST files to MBOX format with all data intact. The software follows an advanced algorithm and comes with a user-friendly interface to easily convert entire PST file data, including emails, attachments, notes, calendars, appointments, and more. Now, let's discuss how you can convert your PST files to MBOX using this advanced tool. Download, install, and launch the Kernel PST to MBOX Converter tool. On the software's home screen, click on the Add Source option. In the following window, browse under Search Files across your PC to automatically fetch and add bulk PST files from your system. Select any driver folder and click OK. The software will list all the PST files, select necessary PST files, and click Add Files. Click on Add Files for further processing. The software will start loading PST files and show "Please wait, loading PST files" message. The software will retrieve all the files and folders from the PST file and list them in a tree-like structure. Click on Select All to go with all PST files in a single process. Click on plus icon to expand your PST files folders. Select any specific email and view its entire data in the Preview tab. Click on Filters icon to find any specific email based on multiple criteria and click Apply Filter. You can easily extract email addresses and extract attachments. To convert entire PST file, click on Export. Select the output file type as MBOX and apply necessary filters to get a specific conversion result. Click on Browse to select a desired saving location to save your output MBOX file. Select your location and click OK. Finally, click Export to start PST to MBOX conversion. The software will start migrating your PST files to MBOX and show live migration status. After a successful migration, you will get an Export Completed message. Click Done. The software will automatically navigate you to the exported folders. Now, you can easily access your data in any Thunderbird-compatible email clients. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the official website to get the detailed information about the software.